Right on, folks. So now we're going to move into winterizing a Winnebago Minnie. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure all the plumbing's off. So we're going to shut the water pump off. We're going to unhook the city water, however you got things hooked up. Then we're going to drain everything. We're going to drain the gray water, the black water, the fresh water, the low point drains, and the water heater. So we'll go aside to do all that.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go.
There we go. Now, Brandon, every low point drain in all these models is in different spots. So you got to find it where it is on your particular model. But we're going to open the valve. Okay. Open those up. Now, I put this plug here in the water heater on by hand. So you can take it out by hand as well. But when you've been using this for the whole summer or whatever, you're going to use a wrench. It's an 1" 16" socket. Now, this is going to shoot out at me. Brandon, so be careful here. Oh, not too bad. So we'll let that drain. So that's your low points, your water heater. Got to make sure your gate valves are open on your sewer drain. Oof, almost got me. Almost, Brennan. Open. Freshwater tank has got to be open.
Normally you'd have your slide closed.
Yep. And then your gray water, your black water, and your gray water open. So we've drained all that. That's the lines, the water heater, the gray water, the black water, and the fresh water. Now you need to find where your water pump is. On this particular model, it's underneath the kitchen sink, or in the kitchen sink area. Now, on these Winnebagos, oh, forgot to do one thing, Brendan.
What we forget?
Close up the low point drains.
Oh.
If I don't close these drains, the antifreeze is just going to run right out, right? So make sure these are closed. After you've made sure they're empty, close them, and you're good to go. Now you have the water pump right here. But on these Winnebagos, they give you a siphon kit. So there's a valve right here off the water pump, Brendan. And there's a valve here. We're going to flip this valve 90 degrees towards this open line. Okay?
Yes.
Then we're going to open up our antifreeze jug. Put the lime in the antifreeze jug. What's next, Brennan?
Turn the pump on.
Nope.
Oh.
We need to bypass the water heater.
Right.
So, in this particular model, the water heater is actually right beside the water pump. So, there's basically this line right here that will bypass the water heater. So instead of water going in the bottom of the tank and out the top, you basically just flip these valves 90 degrees. Yeah. And that forces the antifreeze to go around the water heater. That way you're not wasting 6 gallons of antifreeze, and you won't always have that taste of antifreeze because it's stuck in the tank. So bypass your water heater, flip your siphon kit to the open line, and now we should be able to flip the water pump on. Water pump is up to pressure. I'm going to run antifreeze through both sides of my kitchen tap. Boom. Now I always run a little bit extra just so that there's enough down the drain. Both sides of my bathroom tap.
Done.
Down my toilet. Pink. Both sides of my shower.
Did you unclog it? You're not unclogging it.
No. Yep. Running low on antifreeze. Stick again. And then we gotta do the outside shower and the outside spray port.
And
What's that? Outside kitchen.
yeah,
Right on. So we just swapped out with a new gallon of antifreeze. Now we're gonna run both sides of the taps in the outside kitchen. So. Take our outside spray port hose. I'll make it sprayed here. Like that. Antifreeze. And then the outside shower. Okay. So that's effectively running antifreeze through all the lines. Now to finish things up, I'm going to go inside, shut the water pump off. Open up all my lines again. Open all the lines, and then come back to these low point drains. Open up again. This way, you drain out the antifreeze. And you won't have like the stink or whatever left. Now I'm just gonna go back, put the cap back on my hot water heater, flip the bypass on the water heater back to normal, and flip the siphon kit and the water heater back to normal. That's the video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was dry and boring, but I appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Leave us a comment down below, then have yourself a good day.